The field of medicine has evolved drastically over the past 200 years. This is greatly due to African American women that have made remarkable contributions you may not have known about. Here are 5 African American women trailblazers that revolutionized the field of medicine. Number 1. Rebecca Lee Crumpler. Born in 1831, Rebecca Crumpler is known for becoming the first African American woman in the U.S. to ever get a medical degree. She graduated from the New England Female Medical College in 1864 with an MD, after studying there for 4 years. She then went on to work as a physician of medicine and published a book of medical discourses, one of the first medical publications from an African American. By setting these milestones, Crumpler truly paved the way for future equality in medical positions. Number 2. Jane Cook Wright. Jane Cook Wright is most famous for her role in the development of chemotherapy. Instead of using mice as lab rats to test new drugs on cancer cells, she proposed that the drugs be tested on human tissue. This led to more accurate results and made chemotherapy more accessible. She also pioneered the use of methotrexate as a strategy to remedy both breast cancer and skin cancer. Number 3. Marilyn Hughes Gaston. Marilyn Hughes Gaston is widely acclaimed for her perseverance. She was one of 6 women and the only Black person in her graduating class at the University of Cincinnati College of Medicine. Gaston found her calling towards research on sickle cell disease after treating an infant with the illness. Her research led her to make the revolutionary discovery that sickle cell disease needs to be screened during infancy to identify at-risk children and treat them early. Number 4. Patricia Era Bath. Patricia Bath specialized in the field of ophthalmology, which deals with the treatment and surgery of eye disorders. Throughout her career, Bath worked to help care for Black patients suffering from blindness, eventually becoming the first woman to be appointed as an ophthalmologist at the University of California's Medical School in 1974. Her later achievements included co-founding the American Institute for the Prevention of Blindness in 1976 and patenting a device called the laser phaco, which is used for cataract surgery. Number 5. Alexa Irene Kennedy. Although she is now retired, Alexa Irene Kennedy is a true trailblazer in medicine and a noteworthy example to others following her footsteps. As the first Black person and American woman to become a neurosurgeon, Kennedy was widely admired for her specialized skills in pediatrics. She found herself working in more than 4 different hospitals throughout her career and receiving 2 honorary degrees. The research she did at Wayne State University led to the creation of an anti-siphon shunt made to treat hydrocephalus. These extraordinary women have worked hard to be recognized for their many achievements in the world of medicine. They persevered against the societal norms of their time and contributed to discoveries that saved thousands of lives. Do you know of any other Black women who made important contributions to society? Tell us about them in the comments.